By 2030, artificial intelligence could impact more than 300 million jobs worldwide. But before you panic, AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to transform how we work. So, what will your job look like in the next 5 years? In this video, we'll explore how AI will reshape industries, the jobs that might disappear, the ones that will evolve, and the exciting new roles that don't even exist yet. Let's take a look at the future of work, powered by AI. First, let's talk about jobs most at risk. AI excels at repetitive and rule-based tasks, and that means jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and routine accounting are the most vulnerable. Automation software can process data faster, more accurately, and 24/7, no breaks, no fatigue. But losing these jobs doesn't mean losing opportunities. Next are the jobs that will be transformed, not replaced. Think about marketing, education, customer support, or healthcare. AI tools will handle the repetitive parts, while humans focus on creativity, empathy, and decision-making. For example, teachers may use AI tutors to personalize lessons, while marketers use AI analytics to predict customer behavior. And here's the exciting part, AI will create new jobs we haven't seen before. Roles like AI trainer, data ethicist, prompt engineer, and automation manager are already emerging. By 2030, entire industries will exist to build, guide, and audit intelligent systems. Just like the internet created web developers, AI will create a new generation of human-machine specialists. To thrive in this new era, the most valuable skills won't be technical alone. We'll need critical thinking, adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Learning how to work with AI, not against it, will be the difference between being replaced and being empowered. AI won't replace people, but people using AI will replace those who don't. The future of work isn't about losing jobs, it's about evolving them. The smartest workers in 2030 will be those who combine human imagination with artificial intelligence. What do you think? Will AI take over your job or make it better? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos on AI, innovation, and the future of work.